All right, question number 3. It says a formula for the surface area of a rectangular prism is surface area equals 2 times the length times the width plus the width times the height plus the length times the height. Suppose each dimension is doubled. Show algebraically how the surface area is affected. Before we do anything at all, I just want to write out right here. I want to distribute this 2 so we can kind of see what's happening here. So this would be 2LW plus 2WH plus 2LH. So if I were to suppose each dimension is doubled, I want to see how the surface area is going to be affected, okay? So first thing is, instead of the length right here, our new length is going to be twice as much as the original length, okay? Let me color code this so that we can kind of see what's happening with this a little bit better. Also, the width, the new width is going to be twice as much as the original width. And the new height is going to be twice as much as the original height. So if the formula is surface area equals 2 times LW plus WH plus LH, instead of L right here, I'm going to say it's 2L. Instead of W, I'm going to say it's 2W, okay? Plus, here, instead of W, again, I'm going to say it's 2W times, and then instead of H, I'm going to say it is 2H. Plus, same thing. Instead of L, I'm going to say it's 2L, and instead of H, I'm going to say it's 2H. Okay? Now I just have to do a bunch of algebra. So here, the surface area becomes 2 times 2L times 2W is one term, and my coefficients of 2 and 2, when I multiply them together, gives me 4. So this becomes 4LW, plus, same thing, 2 times 2 is 4, so this becomes 4WH, plus, same thing, this becomes 2 times 2, which is 4LH. Well, when I distribute the 2 through, I end up getting surface area equals 8 LW plus 8WH plus 8LH. And if the original surface area is 2LW versus 8, and then 2WH instead of 8, and 2LH instead of 8, that means that it is 4 times larger. So therefore, the surface area quadruples. Okay? Question B, how is the volume affected if each of the dimensions is doubled? Justify your answer algebraically. So same idea, except we're going to use the volume formula. So volume equals length times width times height. But instead of length, we're going to use our 2L here again. Okay? Instead of width, we're going to use our 2W here, just like we said right here. And then instead of height, we're going to use our 2H. Okay, so that means that our volume here, multiply all of our coefficients, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, so I get 8LWH, okay? And the original volume was just LWH. So if this is 1 LWH and this is 8 LWH, then the volume becomes 8 times bigger. Okay?